Mystery illness, Health Ministry seeks PAHO's help after scores of JDF trainees mysteriously get sick. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, uninvited hazard, chaos at St. Anne's staff party after a man attacks his ex-lover.
Bloody bathroom, cops discover animal slaughterhouse in a St. Elizabeth home.
Collision course, cops, vendors face off over Maypen vending plan.
6-point plan, Negril hoteliers tackle cops over night noise crackdown.
Rollback, Scotiabank reduces controversial fee after social media quarrel.
And in business news, Hablo Ingles? Flow raises the controversy over Spanish language cable channels.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
You're asking, what do you think about the types and level of fees banks charge to do your business?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.